Number 1. T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. The T1 Tomahawk is a revolutionary digital tape measure that is designed for professionals across various industries. It enables tradespeople to collect measurements quickly and accurately, saving them valuable time and effort. With its live view OLED display, users can view measurements digitally in both English and metric units. Additionally, the device features a side-mounted e-paper display that can save up to 10 measurements. The T1 Tomahawk also offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to send measurements to connected devices with just one click of a button. With its advanced features and ease of use, the T1 Tomahawk is the perfect tool for anyone who needs to measure quickly and accurately in their line of work. Number 2. Cold Glue Dent Pulling Kit. The Cold Glue Dent Pulling Kit PDR is an innovative tool that is designed to remove dents from vehicles without causing any damage to the paint. This kit uses cold glue to attach pulling tabs to the surface of the dent. Then, the tabs are pulled using a special tool, which removes the dent without leaving any marks on the surface. The Cold Glue Dent Pulling Kit PDR is perfect for professional auto repair technicians, as well as DIY enthusiasts who want to repair dents on their own vehicles. With its easy-to-use design and high-quality materials, the Cold Glue Dent Pulling Kit PDR is a must-have for anyone who wants to remove dents without damaging the paint. Number 3. Cordless Impact Wrench. This impact wrench is a powerful and versatile tool that is designed to provide users with a comfortable grip, variable power control, and an intelligent circuit board that ensures a prolonged lifespan. With a maximum torque of 300 Nm, this tool is perfect for heavy-duty tasks, and it comes equipped with a fixed belt clip holder and an LED light that enhances workspace visibility. Number 4. Cordless Concrete Power Trowel. The SkateC Cordless Concrete Power Trowel is an innovative tool that is designed to provide users with the power and versatility needed to complete concrete finishing jobs with ease. This cordless power trowel features a compact design that makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and a powerful motor that delivers exceptional performance. With its cordless design, the SkateC eliminates the need for a power source, allowing users to move freely around the job site without worrying about cords or electrical outlets. The tool also features a rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting power, so users can work for extended periods without interruption. Number 5. The Universal Machine Chameleon. The Chameleon is a versatile, all-in-one machine that can be used for a wide range of applications. This universal machine features a modular design that allows users to easily switch between different tools and attachments, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. With its powerful motor and advanced features, the Chameleon can handle everything from cutting and drilling to sanding and polishing. The machine is also designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Chameleon is the perfect tool for any job. With its flexible design and powerful performance, this machine can handle any task with ease. From construction and woodworking to metalworking and automotive repair, the Chameleon is a must-have tool for anyone who demands the best. Number 6. Gutster 30-inch Oval Handle Demolition Bar Tight Space Demo Bar. The Gutster 30-inch Oval Handle Demolition Bar is a powerful and versatile tool that is designed to make demolition tasks easier and more efficient. This demolition bar features a unique oval handle that provides users with a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. With its compact size and narrow profile, the Gutster Demolition Bar is perfect for use in tight spaces where traditional demolition tools may not fit. The bar's sharp, angled tip is perfect for prying and separating materials, while the flat end can be used for striking and breaking up larger pieces. Number 7. KeyFit Tools Crowbar Adapter Head. The KeyFit Tools Crowbar Adapter Head is a unique and innovative tool that can be used for a variety of applications. This adapter head is designed to fit on a 3/8 drive ratchet or open-end wrench, making it easy to use and transport. With its compact size and durable construction, the KeyFit Tools Crowbar Adapter Head is perfect for use in tight spaces where traditional crowbars may not fit. The ratcheting indexing feature allows for precise adjustments and maximum leverage, while the ultra-compact design makes it easy to store in your toolbox. Number 8. Cordless Power Cutter. The DSH-700-22 cordless power cutter is a powerful and innovative cutting tool that is designed to make cutting tasks faster and more efficient. This cordless power cutter features a durable and high-quality construction, making it perfect for use in demanding environments. With its powerful motor and advanced features, the DSH-700-22 cordless power cutter can handle a wide range of cutting tasks, including concrete, masonry, and metal. The cordless design also allows for maximum mobility and flexibility, making it easy to use in any location. The DSH-700-22 cordless power cutter also features a unique and innovative design that provides users with maximum comfort and control during use. The tool is designed to reduce vibration and noise, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods of time.